Well, it's nice to see the Easter lilies making their spring appearance. And it looks like we've made it through another winter, guys. Warm temperatures are here. And some of the grass is starting to green up down in the lower part of the yard there. Beautiful time of the year. We're going to sweep us up some leaves today, guys. Due to the wet weather that we've had all winter, I need to pick up a few of these leaves. First of all, to get them out of this spot, but I want to spread them along the trail that we've been using to haul logs and things back and forth. And we've beat that trail up pretty good this winter. So I'm going to use this leaf blower that I just picked up. This is the Steel BG56C. We are at 27 cc's and 143 miles an hour wind speed at the end of it. And since I already have the saws and things like that mixing the fuel, it does take the same fuel mix as the chainsaws. So that's going to work out great for us. This is going to be really handy back at the sawmill also. What we're going to do today, guys, we're going to take this thing and push some of these leaves out of this low water runoff we have here and get them swept up and actually take them over and put them on the trail. The lawnmower's making its first appearance for springtime, as well as the yard sweeper. Now I will say before we get started, to break this in a little bit, I cleaned the gutters on the house, and that was the easiest I've ever had cleaning the gutters out, so I already like this thing. Let's see how well it's going to push some of these leaves up out of here. I'll tell you what, I bet we got 6 of those leaves there. like I said, we've had this area pretty muddy here for the past month now. I think this will help our trails quite a bit. Get this guy up here. Let's grab us some more. Couple times. I think that's going to cover the mud up pretty good. We ended up with 9 loads there. It's pretty clean up here now. The water isn't going to be trying to catch right there on the mound of dirt. We had a big hickory tree that sat there, and the water finally was just too much for it. And once the tree fell over, I've just never come down here and leveled up the ground. These leaves really do make good erosion control. You get it down to where they have a little moisture on them, and they will stay put for a while. We let Mother Nature take care of this side. And we have definitely covered up the mud that we created down here on this end. And that brings us all the way up to our other runoff right up there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, leaves is a part of it this time of year. Everybody is cleaning them up, getting ready to start seeing the green grass. Thanks for watching. Hello, springtime.